Greetings to you all. I hope everyone is doing amazing. So I just received this beautiful package from UPS, and it's obvious that it's coming from Valentino. I can't just wait to unbox this with you guys. I will link the website in the description box below where I got these beautiful Valentino earrings from. Please do not buy designer stuffs on eBay or Amazon. Just go to the website and order it from there. Why? Because there are scammers on the net everywhere on internet, so be very careful. I only buy all my designer stuff in the boutiques or from their main website. I think the person, when I see something, I'll just be like, no way. Oh, I need it. I need to get it. Just look at that. Their signature red color. This is so stunning, and I just love the color. Just look at that. And this is how the back also look. Very pretty box. And I guess this is their instruction card. Without further ado, let's just open this beautiful box. So this is the little box that I got from Valentino website. It's so cute, super cute and super basic from Valentino. This is just their tiny little cards that they include in the box. It came in this beautiful dust bag presented in the box. So let me remove the earrings. These earrings from Valentino are so mine, and they are so cute and so lovely, made from gold tone brass and made in Italy. This particular one cost 160 euro. For such a beautiful piece, I think it's reasonable. The size and fit. The length is 1.5 centimeters, which is 0.5 inch, and the maximum width is 1 centimeter, which is 0.5 inch. The drop of this earring is 1 centimeter. Because it's made out of 100% brass, I don't recommend you to use this when you're showering, and make sure you don't spray perfume on it and keep it away from all that. So lovely people, that'll be all for today, and make sure to stay safe. Don't be in a haste to throw this card away, because it's for a reason. I'm keeping this for 14 good days. If I like it, I keep it. If I don't like it, I repack everything and send it back. But I'm so madly in love with these earrings. I bought it for everyday use. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, like and share. Stay tuned. Definitely see you in my next video.